In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename a project in Base44 quickly and easily. If you've ever created an app or project and later realized the name needs to be updated, this guide will walk you through the exact steps in just a moment. Renaming a project is useful when you want to stay organized, make your workspace easier to navigate, or simply replace a temporary name with something more accurate. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Base44 account and head over to your Workspace apps page. This is where all of your apps and projects are listed, so it's the main place you'll manage anything you've already created. Once you're on the apps page, look for the specific app card that you want to rename. Each app should appear as its own card, making it easy to find the project you want to update. Now, on that specific app card, look for the More Actions icon, which is usually shown as 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open the additional options for that project. This menu is where Base44 keeps extra controls like editing or managing the app. From the drop-down menu, select Rename. As soon as you click Rename, Base44 will let you edit the project name directly. At this point, type in the new name you want to use. Make sure it's clear, descriptive, and easy to recognize later, especially if you have multiple projects in your workspace. After typing the new project name, click Save. This confirms the change and updates the project name across your workspace. Once saved, your app card should now display the new name immediately, so you can verify that everything was updated correctly. And that's it. Your Base44 project has now been renamed. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in keeping your workspace clean and organized. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Base44 tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.